All right, Winston, say hi. Oh, we've got the light on. Today's the 25th. Buddy had his birthday. All right, buddy, you gonna go up the stairs? You gonna show everybody how you go up the stairs? Just lifts that one leg up. Careful. Here you go. You gonna try to come down the stairs, Winston? Come down the stairs? No? Okay. Careful, bud. Careful. Don't rip that. No, leave the blinds alone. Leave those blinds alone. Oop, we'll go over here so we can see you better. Careful, Winston, careful. Good boy. You want to try to come down? You want to try to come down the stairs? You want Mommy to help you? You want to come down the stairs? Okay, your Mommy can help you. Come down. Here we go. You can do it. Come down. Come a little closer. Come on. Come to the edge. Come to the edge. Ready? We go right to the edge. Boopity boop boop boop. Not a very good camera thing. We put both feet over. And then we lean down. Yep, we put both feet over. And then we lean down, and there we go. Yeah! There we go. You want to try one more? You want to try it with... You want Mommy help? You can do it. Come down the stairs. Put both feet over. No, you have to put your feet over first. Okay, you're going to go up the stairs instead. All right. Careful, Winston. All right, buddy. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. Hey, Winston, give a kiss to the camera. Go, mwah. Mwah. All right. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.